Hello, welcome back students. So now we're going to start the next section, which section name is package in the video. It means that how to install the packages in the Linux operating system. So we have APT Manager. Just open the terminal, type sudo su, then type your password to give the root permission. Because the package manager is only worked in the root mode. Without root mode, 99% or 98% package manager applications are not working for installation purpose only. So what is APT? APT is like a Play Store for your Android. Same like your Android has a Play Store, your iPhone has an App Store, and your Windows has a Microsoft Store. But your Linux have not a store like Play Store. Sometime on somewhere it has the Play Stores like application stores. But if you want to install the application from the command line, then you can use the APT manager. So type apt install. If you are in the Kali Linux, then don't type apt-get and then install. You can use it, but sometimes it is not worked. And then type your package manager, like there's a tool name is Wi-Fi TE, which is an automated Wi-Fi hacking tool. So you can see that it try to install this tool, but it show me that this tool is already installed in this operating system in the Kali Linux. So if you want to install this tool from through the command line or any tool like man, then you can see that the man is also installed, pre-installed or automatically already installed. Now, if you are in the Kali Linux, then I suggest you don't use -get with the with apt. Just type apt install and then type your package manager name. So this is the first example to install the package manager. So let's install a package like which is not available in our Linux operating system. Let me check that it is available or not. Like apt install Pluma. Pluma is a text-based editor, so it is also installed in my operating system. Let me install Pico. Okay, it is a package error. It means that this package is not available to install through the command line. Now, if I install Nano, and this is also pre-installed in the Kali Linux. So you can install any type of tool which is available in the Linux Kali Linux directory. Just type apt space install space your tool name that you want to install. You can check the list of your tools from the internet, from the Google, from the GitHub. So this is the first method, but here you need to learn these all command like apt update, apt upgrade, and apt install vim then espeak. So let's install another command like vim espeak cmatrix. So let's install cmatrix. I hope cmatrix is not pre-installed in my operating system. So use apt install cmatrix, press enter. Okay, this tool is not available in my Linux system. So it tried to automatically find from the internet and install in the Kali Linux. Now just type the tool name cmatrix, press enter, and this is a cmatrix uses. Cancel it. So this tool is not pre-installed. Now let's install one more tool which is not available in our system. Let me show you that it is available or not. Cow think. You can see that this is not pre-installed. So type apt install cow think. Okay, this is not available in the Kali Linux directory. Let me install another one. First, let me show you SL. So this is not installed. Now type apt install SL, and you can see that this tool is installed in our system through the apt command. Now type SL. So this is a funny command. This is a use of SL command. Okay, completed. So this is the method that how you can install any package through the command line in the terminal in your operating system, only in the Linux operating system. So you have many more methods, but this is the famous and this is the main method of Kali Linux and Parrot operating system for the purpose of ethical hacking. Now let me show you another example like how you can update and upgrade your system. Just run the command apt update. So this command uh, download some files from the internet and check that which packages need to upgrade in your Kali Linux or in your operating system. This command only check that which software needs to be upgrade or update. Okay, this command does not install the updates, just check the update. So it takes some time to complete. Now I'm going to cancel this command because my internet connection is too much slow and it can take too much time to complete this command. You can run in this your operating system, in your own operating system, to update the system. So apt update command or apt-get update command only install the updates, only check the updates that which software and which software needs to be upgraded in your system. Then the next command is upgrade, and if you type apt upgrade, then this command, but let me tell you that the important thing is that please run this upgrade command after run the update command, because the update command check that which software need to be upgraded, and then upgrade command run the upgrade packages commands and upgrade your all the packages which needs to be upgraded. Now if I run this command apt upgrade, then it is trying to upgrade and it requires the permission. Type Y and press enter and it start the upgrading. So I don't want to, so I type N to cancel. So this is a package manager that how you can install the packages in the Kali Linux operating system through the command line. But we have some more method, like we have pip package manager, like pip install. There's a tool name is speed test -cli, which can check the internet speed through the command line. So this is a Python package manager. With the help of pip, you can also install the packages which are available in the Python directory. And you can see that requirement already satisfied because this tool is already installed. I recently installed this tool. Uh, we complete the APT and also complete the pip manager. So these both have the method to install the packages in your Kali Linux operating system. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.